Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the world of bike bells to bring you the top 5 best auctions available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, stylish, or feature-packed, we've got you covered. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5 is the Aliexpress bike bell. This premium option stands out with its playful and unique food-themed designs, such as hamburgers, cakes, and popcorn. It's perfect for those who want to add a touch of personality and fun to their bike. The bell produces a loud and clear sound, ensuring that you're noticed while riding, even in bustling environments. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the included screwdriver. It fits handlebars with a diameter of 22 millimeters, making it compatible with most bikes. However, while the design is whimsical, the Aliexpress bell isn't the most durable option on the list due to its plastic construction. Users may find it better suited for casual riders or kids who love the aesthetic appeal, rather than those who need a robust, long-lasting bell. Additionally, its price tag of $7.99 makes it the most expensive bell on our list, which could be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, this bell is ideal for riders who prioritize style and fun over performance. While it may not be the best for high-impact use, it's a great gift idea or an accessory to make your bike stand out. At number 4, we have the Top Crown bike bell, a sleek and modern option with a hidden design that saves space on your handlebars. This bell is perfect for riders who prefer a minimalist aesthetic but still want powerful performance. Its sound reaches up to 110 decibels, making it one of the loudest bells on our list, a great feature for ensuring safety in noisy environments. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, durable, and resistant to rust and aging. The bell is easy to install with just one screw, and the package even includes the necessary tools, such as spacers and a screwdriver. It's compatible with handlebars ranging from 22.2 millimeters to 31.8 millimeters, making it suitable for various bike types, including mountain bikes, road bikes, and even electric scooters. On the downside, its hidden design may not appeal to riders looking for a more traditional or decorative bell. Overall, the Top Crown bike bell offers excellent performance and durability at a reasonable price of $6.79. It's ideal for commuters or avid cyclists who prioritize functionality and safety over flair. If you need a reliable and loud bell for busy urban streets, this one's worth considering. In third place, we have the Binidum Bike Bell 2-pack. This budget-friendly option offers 2 bells for just $5.08, making it a fantastic value for families or anyone needing multiple bells. The bells feature a loud and melodious sound, ensuring pedestrians and traffic can hear you clearly. The handle can rotate 360 degrees, allowing for versatile positioning and use by both left-handed and right-handed riders. The compact, rounded design is visually appealing, and the bells are available in multiple colors to suit different styles. Made from high-quality iron and plastic materials, the Binidum bells are wear-resistant, rust-proof, and waterproof, making them suitable for all weather conditions. However, the materials are not as premium as those used in higher-end bells, which might affect long-term durability. The bells are compatible with handlebars measuring 22.2 millimeters in diameter, fitting most bike types, including road bikes, scooters, and BMX bikes. With its unbeatable price and versatility, the Binidum Bike Bell 2-pack is an excellent option for casual riders or those on a tight budget. While it may not match the quality of pricier models, it offers solid performance and practicality at a fraction of the cost. Runner-up on our list is the Schwinn Classic Black Bike Bell. Known for its elegant and timeless design, this bell is perfect for riders who want a stylish addition that complements their bike's aesthetic. It produces a clearly audible ringing sound, enhancing safety by letting others know you're approaching. The lightweight design ensures it won't add unnecessary bulk to your handlebars, and the universal attachment makes installation a breeze. Constructed from alloy steel, the Schwinn bell boasts solid durability and reliability for everyday use. At $5.99, it strikes a great balance between affordability and quality, making it a popular choice among riders of all ages. However, while it's a solid performer, it doesn't offer unique features like the higher decibel levels or hidden designs seen in other options. The Schwinn Classic Black Bike Bell is ideal for riders who value simplicity and functionality. Whether you're a commuter or a casual cyclist, this bell delivers dependable performance with a touch of class. It's a great option for those who want a no-frills, high-quality bell at a reasonable price. Taking the top spot is the Acmor Classic Bike Bell, a bestseller that's earned its place as the go-to option for riders of all types. This bell delivers a crisp, loud, and clear sound, perfect for ensuring safety and visibility during rides. With a sleek aluminum design and engineering plastic components, it's both rust-resistant and durable, promising long-term use even in challenging weather conditions. The compact size and fashion-forward appearance make it suitable for both kids and adults on mountain bikes, road bikes, or scooters. One of its standout features is the effortless installation process, which can be completed in just 1 minute using a standard screwdriver. It fits handlebars with an outer diameter of 21mm to 22mm, accommodating most bike styles. While the price isn't listed, the Acmor Bell is a consistent favorite among customers, boasting over 33,000 reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating. The Acmor Classic Bike Bell is the ultimate choice for riders who prioritize safety, durability, and style. Whether you're cycling through busy city streets or enjoying a leisurely ride in the countryside, this bell delivers top-notch performance at an excellent value. It's no wonder it's ranked as the #1 bike bell. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this comprehensive comparison helpful. If this video helped you make a decision, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below for more details. If you have any questions or want to share your favorite bike bell, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Happy riding, and see you in the next video.